Hello beautiful people of YouTube, and welcome to my channel, Afro Peace Queen. And today's video is going to be a unboxing of a MacBook 2020, a MacBook Pro. And this video will be a collab with my sister's channel. She's doing the exact same video because we both ordered our MacBooks on the same day and both decided to do an unboxing video. So yeah, her channel is Angel Semai, and I'm going to link it in the bio if you want to watch her video too. And if you're interested. Okay, so I've decided to put on my glasses for this part as well as change the angle so that way you all can see the MacBook. So yeah, this is the box that it comes in. Well, actually, I don't need scissors. It actually has a tab. It comes like this. And it was upside down. And this is how she looks. So gorgeous. So the crazy thing is, not that crazy, but I actually had a MacBook 2017 version, and I actually sold it so I can buy this one because I needed more storage. I don't know, I got quiet so I can hear that. Yeah, so once I get it open, I will go ahead and let you all know the specs and the specs that I have on this laptop. Alright, so like I said, this is the MacBook Pro, and this one actually comes with a touch bar. The one I had beforehand did not even have a touch bar, which I was fine with. I actually did not want a touch bar, but the 2020 Pros only come with a touch bar, so you have no choice. And voila, if you can see it, I got it in space gray. It's actually the same color I already had, but silver is not all that cute. So alright, we'll put her to the side, and then what comes inside the box, you all know. Well, it fell on the floor. But so what actually comes inside is the brick that goes into the wall, the charger of course, and then we all love the great Apple stickers. And I think the stickers with this one is actually going to be space gray if I'm not mistaken. And it is. There, you can see it. They are gray, well, space gray. Usually they're white, kind of translucent, but yeah. Let's get into the goodness, the good part of this. I'm throwing all the trash everywhere. Oh, so pretty. Like I said, it's not really that different compared to the 2017 version, except for the fact that it has a touch bar. So as you can see, it is turning on. So I'm just going to set it up really quick. I'm pretty sure you all know what the process of getting things started with the main language. Press the return key. Oh, okay. I wasn't expecting Siri to talk, but yeah, I just be right. Okay, so now I'm just at the setup. Hey Siri part. I also changed the angle so you all can see this. Ooh, I forgot my phone has it. But yeah, I also changed the angle so you all can see the screen. Now I did initially think that the laptop wouldn't be as different from the 2017 version, which is the one I had, but honestly, just typing on it so far, I know for a fact that it is different. Clearly, duh, like internally wise it's different. But I also know that they did switch out the keyboard, and the keyboard on this one feels so much better to type on versus the 2017 version. And yeah. Alright, so let me go ahead and finish with setup Hey Siri. And it is now on. She is gorgeous. It's nothing more pristine or prettier than a clean MacBook. All right, so I also did have this case I got from Amazon, and it came with a keyboard cover, and it's pink too. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. Put this on. Well, I'll probably put that on a second because I gotta. All right, this is how she looks on. So pretty. And then we go ahead and put the, oh, I already have fingerprints on the screen. But I'm going to put the keyboard cover on. And voila, she is done. Just kidding, we have to set it up. At least have to change the wallpaper or something. Okay, so to give you all some more details on the one I actually got, I got the clearly the 13-inch MacBook Pro Space Gray, but it has the 1.4 gigahertz quad-core 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor, and then the thing I upgraded it with was the 16 gigabytes of memory, and then I also got 512 gigabytes of memory, and then everything else is just what it normally comes with. But yeah, so I guess we should give her a makeover. She looks pretty basic. Oh, I also forgot, I actually got the college version. So with that being said, that means I got the, you know how Apple has their back to school sale, kind of. I say kind of because they really don't have a sale. But they do, like, if you buy a MacBook or iPad Pro, you get AirPods or whatever. So I did also get AirPods. But I did get the Pro apps installed on this for an extra $200. So it should have, let's see if I see them. It should already have, here we go. So it has all of these apps right here, which is like Main Stage 3, Final Cut Pro, Compressor, Motion, and Logic Pro X. And I got these apps already installed upon arrival for $200 extra. So what I'm going to do is actually make a collage, but first I'm going to go ahead and pick out some pictures that I actually think are cute or kind of aesthetically pleasing, and then we're going to go ahead and make a collage. So it's right here, and then we'll go ahead and set it as desktop, and boom, we have our desktop, our collage that we created. Now I also seen other videos where people change the icons that looks like this, so I'm also gonna do that. And And by icons I mean like these folders over here. So I think this is what they said. So you type in whatever icon that you want. So I'm gonna do butterfly, and then you type in PNG. So it'll come up clear in the background. Well, not clear, but transparent. What color butterfly? Definitely pink. Or maybe we'll do this one. We'll just do this one. We'll go ahead and save this. I'll download it and save it. Save the desktop. And okay, so once you already have the picture on your desktop, you go to this, you click it, and then you, it's already, give me 1 second, do this, exit out of command, and go back. Not command, but preview. You're gonna hit Command A, and then Command C to copy. Go to the desktop, not desktop, but the folder, and click it over here, and then push Command V. And boom, we have a beautiful butterfly. So I'm gonna do that with all of my folders. And boom, we have butterfly folders. Okay, that was it for the video. Thank you all for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will see you all in the next video. Love you. Bye.